Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Atom IDE latest version on Windows 11 or 10 operating systems. Okay, first go to Atom official website and download. It is atom-editor.cc. Hit enter. Now see here, click on download. See, we are going to install this 1.60. Okay, scroll down, see here, we have different options for Mac and for Windows 64 operating systems. We have to download this Atom setup -64 exe file and its size is 194 megabytes. So click on this Atom setup exe file to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 190 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this one. See, download is completed. Now click on this Atom setup exe file. See, now it is installing. See, if you want to open the existing project, you have to click on here, and if you want to version control with Git or GitHub, you have to click on here. See, here we have the options like install a package, choose a theme, customize styling, init script, add a snippet, others. Okay, new file, save. I'm giving this file name as R2 program.py. Save the file. Okay, now we can provide the script here. See, we have different packages. Okay, so this is the way to install Atom IDE editor on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.